Hey everyone, so I want to talk about the blue light filters on Samsung versus Amazon devices here. So for this demo, we are going to be using the Samsung Tab A7 Lite versus the Amazon Fire HD7, but any Samsung device will be just like this or very similar to this, just like any Amazon Fire tablet device will be just like this or very similar to this, of course, to their respective devices here. So we'll start off here with Samsung, and we'll go over here to the little guy or smaller guy. So to get to it, you just swipe on down until you see Eye Comfort Shield. Now you can either just tap that and it'll turn it on, tap it or turn it off, or tap and hold. It'll bring you to the settings, or of course you can just go into your settings and find this as well here. Again, you can just turn it on or you can turn it off. Then you can also set a schedule, keep it always on, sunrise to sunset, which is what I keep mine on. So depending on the time of year, it'll of course change from sunrise to sunset. It'll turn on and off on its own, or you can set a start time and an end time here. And you can also change the color temperature, which here we'll turn that on to make this actually be able to show here. So all the way down here is basically not even having it on at all. And the more you get, the more orange it gets. So I keep mine like that, where it is all the way over. And then, like I said, I set mine to be sunrise to sunset. So again, we'll just turn this on for now to show you the difference here. So same thing with the Samsung, you just swipe on down here, just like the Samsung. Swipe on down there. And then you, on this though, is called blue shade. So you're gonna tap it to turn it on, tap it to turn it off. Tap and hold, you'll go to your settings. And again, you can find this in your settings. And then here, what I like too about, what I really like, I really do like Amazon's better than Samsung's. Both are nice. I think Amazon does it a bit better here for a couple of reasons. One is you can change the actual brightness of the blue shade. So if you want it, like what I usually do is keep it all the way down for brightness. So when the blue shade turns on, the brightness goes down automatically, or it goes to whatever setting you have it on here automatically. So if you have it all the way up during the daytime, turn blue shade on. Once it turns on, you have it down all the way, it'll turn down all the way automatic, which is just really, really cool. Samsung does not do that. Whatever your brightness is what your brightness is. Again, just like with the Samsung, you do have different shades of colors. But again, I think this is a bit better than Samsung's, because you can see here, all over here is like the yellowy color, just kind of similar to the Samsung. Or over this way will be more of a red color, which is where I keep mine at. Just like the Samsung, you can have automatic activation on or off. And then just like that, you have certain days on and off. And then you can have it certain times on and off, just like the Samsung. Or again, what I have, sunrise to sunset, again, just like the Samsung. So very, very similar, of course. But I do think Amazon does it a little bit nicer, a little bit better, since you can actually adjust the brightness for just the blue light filter. And then I like the coloring on here better. So quick comparison here. Again, this is their cheapest device. And the HD8 and the HD10 are just like how it is on the 7 here. So you guys can see. So you see in this setting they are very similar, but again on here, if we change it that way, you see this is way red, where this is more orangish brown. Again, you can have it orangish on this as well. Yeah, so there you guys go. And I prefer Amazon. You guys let me know what you think though. Either way, I think these are very nice. The point of the blue light filter is to, of course, filter out the blue lights that these devices naturally project, I guess. and that is at nighttime supposed to be better on your eyes having the blue light filters on. Then two, blue light can suppress your melatonin production, so having blue light filter on should help help that it will help with that, I guess. So that way you should be able to sleep a bit better with these on if you use your devices right before bed. Again, you guys let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.